Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to understand about how to use the encapsulation in the JavaScript. So here you can see that encapsulation method we have used. Inside the encapsulation method, we have used the private variable called people array. And here you can see that we have used the set name to add the name to the array. And here you can see that we have used the get name method. That is actually we access the name using of an index from the array. And here you can see that we have used the once again index along with the we can use the splice method to remove the array element from the specified index. And here you can see that we have written the set name, get name, and rm name method. So basically encapsulation method, it will provide the data protection. Actually basically data can be only modified through the defined methods, and this prevents the accidental and unauthorized changes. And this will way organize the code using of separating the data and access the method that promotes the cleaner and more maintainable code. So here you can see that we have used the data equals to encapsulation method. So we have created the object from encapsulation method, and then afterwards here you can see that we have set the name, logged the message, and then afterwards we can remove the index from the specified index, and then afterwards log the message. So what should be the output of this console log? Let's see. So here we have added the Brittany name, and then afterwards we have retrieved the name using of index, and then afterwards we can remove the people, we can remove the element from the specified index using of a 0, and then afterwards we can log the message.